Okay, this tutorial covers augmented assignment operators. It means the operator takes a variable as one of its arguments, then assign the result back to the same variable. So let's create one project. This time I will use default main class. Okay, let me put the title of this tutorial: Augmented Assignment Operators. So there is something you call package on line number 4. So if you look at here, Java project name is application number 6. Then that is locate my documents. Then if you go back to files here, and then source directory, we are trying to organize source code on the subdirectory called Java application number 6. So Java package allow you to group your source code into special directory. Okay, let me go back to augmented assignment operators. So int I equal to 0. So variable I with the default value 0. I equal to I plus 8. It means 0 plus 8. Then we assign the result to its own variable I, which is 8. Or you can say become 8. And then if you print it out on your standard output device, print I, result will be 8. So if you go back to program design 101, the first line number 18 is input. Line 21 is something to do with the process. The line 24 is something to do with the output components. So basically input, process, and output. Result is number 8. That's correct. So now I will introduce augmented assignment operators. So here I will change to 10. This has become 10 plus 8. We know that that's 18. Now we can shorten our expression. Okay, that's 18. Line number 21 can be shortened. So operator will take the variable as one of its arguments, then assign the result back to the same variable I later on. So let's take the variable as arguments. So operator goes to plus equal 8 semicolon. Result is same. So we can do subtraction as well. I equal to I minus 8 can be shortened, or you can use augmented assignment operator. So minus equal, we can remove variable I. Result is same. Okay, let me continue repeat for multiplications, divisions, and remainder for demonstrations. Multiplications, divisions, same as I divide by 8. Remainder. It seems like a repetition, but it's good exercise. Please try by yourself. Okay, let me write it down here. Main idea is here, open, you see the augmented assignment operator in existing source code. It means that experienced Java programmers often use this augmented assignment operator. Even though it seems unusual at the beginning, at least you should get used with it eventually. But for this now, you should be able to read, or at least you know that that's the same expression. Basically, you will be familiar with augmented assignment operators. But at the beginning, you may use the same straightforward full expression instead of shortened operators here. Okay, last one is reminder assignment. Reminder equal, that should be 8. Okay, let me say operator name of operator, or you can say full name. Example, equivalent expression or statement. Okay, let me explain to you again. So the first one, if you look at line number 24, int I equal to 10. That means in your memory block, we have a variable called I with the default value, this case 10. Then if you look at expression line number 27, what we are trying to do is 10 reminder by 8. So let me repeat, same block 10. So we are looking at line number 27 expression. We are looking at the same block. Again, even though I repeat, it's the same block I, which is 10. Then operator, we are looking at reminder. So 10 reminder by 8 is 1, 8. Give us reminder number 2. and the result is 2 will be assigned to its own variable called I. So that instead of number 10, I become number 2. Main idea is we try not to create another variable to process and then save it to same place so that we can save memory size for certain operations. Okay, thank you.